Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a review of an 1893 2 shilling or 1 florin coin. As you can see, it's got a bust of Queen Victoria. The bust is the final portrait that she had, which is the one where she's in mourning attire, and is known as the cloaked head or veiled head version. This coin is a silver coin. It's a 0.995, and on the reverse of this florin we have the year and 3 shields, England, Scotland and Ireland, with the national flower emblems in the garter going around the outside of the coin. Now, as you can see, there are 4 countries in the United Kingdom, and it's been, I don't know why, it's a historic thing that Wales isn't represented in this style of coin. What I believe is the reason why is that it was a principality of England rather than a country in its own right. However, now with Wales having its own Welsh Assembly, I'm wondering whether future coins that show the royal arms and the country arms of the UK will include the Welsh dragon. I certainly hope so, because there's no reason why in this day and age that Wales shouldn't be commemorated along with the other 3 countries that make up the UK. The mintage for this 1893 coin is 1,666,100. Now tell me, what do you think of this coin? Do you think I've got one that's in reasonably good condition? Certainly the shields stand out well. It's fading a bit around the top, and the rim is a bit thin in places, but on this side we've got a portrait that can be quite recognisable as Victoria's veiled head portrait. However, there's no real definition here, and that's come through years and years of use. I don't know how many years this was in circulation, but I bet you it was a fair few, and it probably wasn't until silver stopped being put into the silver coins that people started taking it out of circulation and putting them into collections. So what do you think of this coin? I actually love these old Victorian type coins, and I do enjoy silver as well. So this is right down my street. The history of it and what it must have seen through its life as a working coin, if you like, must have been unbelievable. However, that ends my review of this coin. What do you think of it? Would you want it in your collection? Do you collect pre-decimal coins? I suppose it's a big question. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? And also, if you have enjoyed and you're not yet subscribed, can you please think about doing so? I'm looking to try and hit a subscriber number of 250 by the end of this year. I'm currently in the early 170s, so I've got a little way to go yet, and your help and your subscription will be greatly I'll be very grateful for. I do 4 videos as a minimum. In the past few weeks I've been doing 5, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you buy the coins at the price that you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye for now. Bye bye. Ta-ra now.